Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Nadine, and Nadine writes from Bloomfield, New Jersey. And Nadine writes, "We are finally closing on our first home this week. Our realtor asked us to schedule a final walkthrough of our new home, but we've already taken a lot more time off from work than we wanted or expected. Do you think a final walkthrough is necessary?" Well, that's a good question, Nadine. Your final walkthrough is your last opportunity to verify that the property that you're buying is in the condition it was when you made your offer, or you did your home inspection. And it's your right to do a final walkthrough. So my answer to your question is, yeah, I think you should take the time, although it's inconvenient, to do that final walkthrough to make sure that, again, it's in the condition that you expected and any agreed upon repairs or improvements were made, and that there are no missing items. What you can do is bring your purchase contract and your home inspection report as a reference guide when you do the final walkthrough. And you should schedule the final walkthrough within 24 hours of the closing to minimize the possibility that something could go wrong or something could happen to the property before you actually close. So again, it's your right, and although it's unlikely that something would happen to the home, things can happen to a home very quickly, particularly to vacant homes in the wintertime, like broken pipes or break-ins. So again, it's your right to do a walkthrough. It's unlikely that there's any issues, but it's your last opportunity to verify things are the way they're supposed to be. So I think it's in your best interest to take advantage of that. So thanks for your question, Nadine. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.